Hello, RideShare Guy community. First and foremost, I want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for being here, for watching, for subscribing, and for being such an integral part of this incredible community. Whether you're a rideshare or delivery driver, or someone curious about this ever-changing industry, your support means everything to us. When we started this channel, our goal was to create a space where drivers could feel seen, heard, and empowered. We wanted to provide a platform that not only shares tips and tricks, but also dives into the nitty-gritty of what it means to work in the gig economy. But the truth is, this channel wouldn't be what it is today without you. Our viewers, our subscribers, and our community members. You've been our eyes and ears on the ground, sharing your stories, insights, and experiences, and we're extremely grateful for that. You see, this channel is more than just a collection of videos. It's a place where we all gather to vent out, to talk about our victories as well as defeats. It's a back and forth where we learn as much from you as you do from us. You're the ones out there navigating the day-to-day challenges and triumphs of this industry. You're the ones who bring new ideas to the table, point out what's working and what's not. Just like Uber, Lyft, and Doordash wouldn't exist without you, we wouldn't either. In so many ways, you've been our eyes and ears globally. When companies roll out new features, you're the first to test them and share your experiences. When new laws or regulations come into play, you're the first to let us know how they're affecting you on the ground. And when something isn't working as it should, you speak up, not just for yourselves, but for the entire community. That takes courage, and we admire you for it. It's your feedback and your engagement that help us create the content you see on this channel. And in 2025, we strive to do better. Every comment you leave, every question you ask, every story you share, it all helps us create content that truly resonates with you. And for that, we want to say thank you. Thank you for trusting us to be a part of your journey. Thank you for taking the time to connect with us, whether through YouTube comments, thousands of emails, or social media. Keep them coming. Thank you for your honesty, your passion, and your commitment to making this industry better for everyone. And we're not done yet. In fact, we're just getting started. The gig economy is here to stay and evolving rapidly. And there is so much more to explore, learn, and share. But to do that, we need your continued support. We need your ideas, your perspectives, and your voices. So here's what I'm asking of you today. If there is something you'd like us to cover, a topic you're curious about, a challenge you're facing, or a success story you think we need to share, let us know. Drop a comment below, send us an email, or reach out to us on social media. Your input is invaluable, and it helps us ensure we're properly advocating for you. And while you're at it, don't forget to share this channel with your fellow drivers. Let them know about the resources and the amazing community we've built here. The more voices we have, the stronger we become as a collective. Together, we can continue to advocate for better working conditions, fair pay, and the respect that all drivers deserve. Looking ahead, we got some amazing things in store. From deep dives into new platforms and technologies to interviews with industry leaders, CEOs, and experts. We're committed to bringing you content that informs, inspires, and empowers. But none of it would be possible without you. Your engagement fuels this channel and motivates us to keep pushing the envelope. I also want to take a moment to acknowledge how challenging this work can be. Being a driver isn't easy. It takes resilience, adaptability, and a whole lot of hustle. But you're out there every day, making it happen. You're providing an essential service, connecting people and goods, and doing it with professionalism and care. That's something to be proud of. And we are proud to stand with you. You know, one of the most rewarding aspects of being a part of this channel is hearing your stories. Whether it's a driver who used our tips to boost their earnings, someone who found their voice advocating for change in their city, or a new driver who felt more confident hitting the road thanks to our videos. Those stories remind us why we do what we do. So please, keep sharing those moments with us. They mean the world. At the end of the day, this isn't just our channel. It is your channel. It's a space we've built together. It's a reflection of the incredible community we've become. So let's keep growing, learning, and supporting each other. Let's keep driving change, literally and figuratively, and making this industry the best it can be. Last but not least, I want to thank Harry Campbell, the founder of the RideShare Guy, for allowing us to do what we do without restrictions. My partner in crime on Show Me the Money Club, our YouTube manager, Chris Gervais, all our wonderful contributors, specifically Jay Crater, Joe Pierce, and every hardworking RSG team member who make us look good. So, before I wrap up, I want to leave you with this. You matter. Your work matters. And your voice matters. Never forget that. We're here for you, and we're so grateful to have you here with us. To all my brothers and sisters on wheels, thank you once again for being part of the RideShare Guy community. We wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Please be safe out there, take great care, stay healthy, and see you all in 2025.